Previously we looked at how to convert angles from degree measure into radian measure. Now in this example we're going to look at how to change from radian measure into degree measure. So we're going to use this formula here, the formula to change from radians to degrees. We take the angle in radians and we multiply by 180 over pi. So you have to do a little bit of mental work and a little bit of concentration to learn the difference. If you want to go from radians to degrees, you multiply the radians by 180 over pi. If you want to go from degrees to radians, you multiply the degrees by pi over 180. So that takes a little bit of work to capture that and to master it. Okay, so let's begin with the first one, which was 5 pi over 6 radians. Okay, so what we want to do is figure out what degrees, what this angle that measures 5 pi over 6 radians would measure in degrees. So what we do is we take the 5 pi over 6 and we multiply by 180 over pi. Now, very often radian measures include a pi. They don't have to include a pi, but a lot of the time they do. And when you're converting to degrees, the pi will cancel out. So that makes it a little bit nice. And then we have 5 times 180 over 6. And we can do some cancelling with the 6 and the 180. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 goes into 180 30 times. So we end up with 5 times 30 over 1. 5 times 30 is 150 over 1, or just 150 degrees. So 5 pi over 6 radians is 150 degrees. Now we're going to do part B is 3 pi over 2. 3 pi over 2 radians. Okay, so take that degree measure, angle, the radian measure, 3 pi over 2, and multiply by 180 over pi. And again, the pi's will cancel, and that leaves you with 3 times 180 over 2, and the 2 will go into the 180, so you have some more cancelling to do. 2 into 2 goes once, 2 into 180 goes 90 times, and that leaves you with 3 times 90, which is 270 over 1, or just 270 degrees. So 3 pi over 2 radians is 270 degrees. Okay? Thanks again for watching once more.